Namaskar. In this video, I will discuss the misconceptions regarding the definitions of D block elements and the definition of organic chemistry. Let us first of all discuss the definition of D block elements. Generally, S block elements are defined as the elements in which last electron enters into s orbital. P block elements are the elements in which last electron enters into p orbitals. And similarly, F block elements are the elements in which last electron enters into f orbitals. But D block elements are not those elements in which last electron enters into d orbital. Rather, D block elements have the different definition. What is that definition? D block elements they are the elements which have partially filled d orbitals, means d1 to 9 in their elementary or most stable oxidation state. D block elements are elements which have partially filled d orbitals in their elementary or most stable oxidation state. This is the exact definition of D block elements. Let us study this definition with the help of some examples. We have copper with 29 electrons and we have zinc with 30 electrons. Let us write their electronic configuration in the elementary state. You can say this is elementary state. Copper has 29 electrons. Its electronic configuration is argon 18, 3d, 4s, 1 and 10. This is the electronic configuration of copper. And what is the electronic configuration of zinc? Two and 10. So, according to the definition, zinc in the elementary state is not D block element because it has D10 configuration, not D1 to 9. So, it is not the D block element. And in the elementary state, copper is also not D block element. But now, in the most stable oxidation state, which is +2 in both the cases. If copper is +2, then its electronic configuration will be 3d, 4s, one electron is removed from here and one from here, d9. So this is the D block element in the most stable oxidation state. But if we see the electronic configuration of zinc 2 positive, it is argon 3d10 and 2 electrons are removed from the s. So it is again not D block element. So it is clear that zinc is not D block element in elementary state or most stable oxidation state. But copper in the elementary state is not d block element, but in the most stable oxidation state it is d block element. So it is clear that copper is d block element because either in elementary state or most stable oxidation state they have partially filled d orbital. So this fulfills the electronic configuration of the d orbitals of d block elements. So copper is the d block element, and similarly the other elements in the same group, they are silver and gold. So copper, silver and gold, they are d block elements, but zinc, cadmium and mercury, they are not d block elements. So it is very important question that whether zinc, cadmium, mercury, they are d block elements or not. The answer is they are not d block elements because they do not fulfill the requirement according to the definition. So they are not d block elements. However, they are studied along with other d block elements, but exactly zinc, cadmium, mercury, they are not d block elements. So this is the definition of d block elements. You can see the elementary state and most stable oxidation state have different electronic configurations. So this was the exact definition of d block elements. Now let us study the exact definition of organic chemistry. Organic chemistry in general can be stated like the chemistry related to living things and the chemistry related to the things obtained from the living things, but this is not the exact definition. What is the exact definition of organic chemistry? According to this definition, the hydrocarbons and derivatives of hydrocarbons, the hydrocarbons and derivatives of hydrocarbons, they are collectively known as organic compounds, and their chemistry is called the organic chemistry. Let us discuss what are hydrocarbons. As the name implies, hydrocarbons, they are the compounds of hydrogen and carbon. For example, alkanes, with general formula CnH2n plus 2, alkenes with general formula CnH2n, and alkynes with general formula CnH2n minus 2. You can see they are the compounds of carbon and hydrogen only. They are hydrocarbons, compounds of hydrogen and carbon. And there are derivatives of hydrocarbons. There are derivatives of hydrocarbons. They are the compounds obtained from the hydrocarbons, and they are collectively known as the organic compounds. Let us discuss by taking the example of methane. This is methane and this is hydrocarbon. and if its hydrogen is removed and suppose Cl is added, it will be CH3Cl. Suppose its hydrogen is removed and Cn is added, it will be CH3Cl methyl cyanide. Suppose its hydrogen is subtracted and COOH is added, it will be CH3COOH. So this is hydrocarbon and these are derivatives of hydrocarbons. This is hydrocarbon and these are the compounds obtained from hydrocarbon, so they are called derivatives of hydrocarbons. So such compounds and such compounds means hydrocarbons and derivatives of hydrocarbons, they are collectively known as organic compounds, and the chemistry related to these is called organic chemistry. This is the most exact definition of the organic chemistry. And now I hope both of these definitions will be clear to you, whether it is the definition of D block elements or the definition of organic chemistry. Thank you very much.